will teach class 7th chapter 2 nutrition in animals. As we know, food is very important for the growth and maintenance of animals as well as human beings. So nutrition in animals involve mainly three components. Number one, nutrients requirement, mode of intake of food. Number 3, food utilization in the body. Nutrient requirement means the food item needs some of the nutrients which are necessary for the growth of the body. Second is mode of intake of food. That is how organism intake that food by different methods. Next, food utilization in the body. This food, how utilized in the body of animals as well as human beings. These are the main steps involved in animal nutrition. Firstly, we have to know the word digestion. The digestion means the process of breaking down the complex food substance into the simple particles or simple substance is called digestion. There are number of modes by which a human or animal can intake food. So I will show you in the table, and here the name of the animals and the kind of food they intake and the mode of taking food. Firstly, snail. It eats leaf or small insect by scraping. Second, ant. It eats the small particles of sugar and flour by chewing. Eagle. It eats rat or small birds via capturing, tearing or swallowing. Hummingbird eats small insects or nectar from flower by sucking. Lice eat blood by sucking. Similarly, mosquito eat blood by sucking. Butterfly takes nectar from flowers by the process of sucking. Housefly takes sweet or dirty liquid with the same mode sucking. So we have different modes by which animals intake their food, that is scraping, chewing, swallowing, sucking, capturing, tearing, etc. So these are the main modes of nutrition in animals. So next is digestion in grass eating animals. So grass eating animals are cow, buffalo, deer, etc. These are the grass eating animals. So the question arises, how digestion take place in these grass eating animals? In these grass eating animals like cow, buffalo, intake the grass in the mouth and store it in the stomach called rumen. The grass intake by the cattle stored in rumen. Here the food is partially digested. After some time, the partly digested food curd return back to the mouth of grass eating animals. The process of returning back of curd in the mouth of the grass eating animals called rumination. During the process of rumination, animals chew their grass or chew their foods and chewing it and digested it. So such process is rumination, and the cattle or organisms or animals doing this process are called ruminants. So the grass eating animals are called ruminants. As the grass contains cellulose, it only taken by these ruminants because the rumen in the grass eating animals having bacteria which help in the digestion of cellulose which is present in the large amount in the grass. So that's why other animals and human beings are not able to eat grass to such a large extent. So reason is the human being has not rumen and the bacteria in rumen. So that's why they are not able to eat or digest the grass molecules. So next topic is feeding and digestion in amoeba. So amoeba is single cell organism found in aquatic region. So or in the pond or in the water surface, etc. So amoeba is single cell organism. It contains a cell membrane, that is cell membrane you can see, or it contains dense nucleus or food vacuole in the cytoplasm. The dotted structure I have shown in the figure is the cytoplasm. Nucleus and the food vacuoles are present in cytoplasm. As this amoeba is take up the shape or can move according to its need. So this process of changing shape for the movement or taking food is called pseudopodia or false feed. What does pseudopodia means? Amoeba has no exact structure. It can change its shape according to the need of taking food or for movement. So this change of shape of the body according to the requirement by amoeba is called pseudopodia. So now the question arises, how the digestion take place in amoeba? When the amoeba has sense of food around it, it makes the pseudopodia like this and pushes the pseudopodia and engulf the food particle around its membrane. You can see the food particle is placed around this membrane. The food particle pushes inside the body of amoeba and placed in food vacuoles. The digestive juices present in food vacuoles help to digest or absorb this food. This food helps in the growth and maintenance of amoeba. The undigested food is thrown out by pseudopodium. So in this way, digestion is take place in amoeba. These are the certain digestion processes in grass-eating plants as well as amoeba. I will attach a PDF with this lecture. You can write the work in classwork as well as homework notebook. Okay, thank you.